Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use night vision camera mode on Motorola Moto G10. To enable night vision, you have to open the camera on your smartphone, then tap the three lines icon and then select night vision. This way you can capture photos in the dark, and to do so you're gonna have to hold your device steady while capturing a photo. Well, unfortunately my environment around is not very dark, but let's see what we can do here. So basically all you have to do is take a photo and then hold your device still for it to apply the night vision filter so that you can see the objects in the dark better. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.